Historically, Menton Bank focused on corporate business, and in doing so, its share of retail customers had reached all-time lows due to aggressive competition in the market. Their solution? Developing a stronger consumer orientation approach at the retail level. So what did they do? Well, to begin, the bank invested heavily in new banking technology. Menton tripled the number of ATMs located in its branches, replacing older models with high-tech color touchscreens capable of a broader range of transactions. They gave customers 24-hour access to banking by placing ATM machines in malls, airports, and other high-traffic locations. 24-hour automated telephone banking was introduced to facilitate account balance checks, and customers can now move funds from one account to another by touching specific keys on their phones with the help of instructions from an automated voice. The bank's website was updated to become the region's most user-friendly internet banking service, where customers had 24-hour access to their accounts, information on branch locations and their service hours, information on ATM locations, and answers to their frequently asked questions. New credit cards were issued containing chips which allow for speedier transactions by allowing customers to simply wave their cards close to a special reader rather than the traditional method of swiping their credit card. Sounds cool, right? Menton Bank then gave their locations a new facelift and introduced some additional services in the process. Menton launched a branch renovation program with the goal of a more friendly yet professional appearance, with pilot tests already underway in their 3 major locations. As part of this, each of the branches were remodeled to include no less than 4 ATMs closed off from the location so customers could have access 24/7. Electronic information terminals were placed at the bank's entrance, featuring touch screens for customers to browse for information. Teller stations were now redesigned for faster processing by segmenting its services into 2 levels: an express station for simple deposits and cashing approved checks, in addition to regular stations for the full array of services provided by the bank's tellers. A customer service call center allowed customers to speak with representatives concerning service questions, account problems, or simple bank requests. This was made available from 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. on weekdays and 8 a.m. to 2 p.m. on Saturdays, with talks of expanding operations to include more retail bank services and 24-hour around-the-clock service. But let's not forget the people. Menton Bank redesigned jobs, inclusive of new job titles and job requirements. Tellers became customer service representatives, and platform staff became customer assistance representatives. Sounds customer friendly, right? Rather than focusing on transactions, representatives were now required to have deeper product knowledge, understand the selling process, and to seek to build relationships with their customers.
Created using Powtoon.